Na auto-report, gobyerno lokal necesita ayuda na gastos del mga testigo na kaso kontra MNLF si estos ta atende el visita alyan na Manila o vista na Manila. Nuay asiguno fondo el Departamento del Department of Justice para gasta el pasaje y akomodasyon del mga testigo si Talya na Manila. Taki el report di Marifita Mayo.
Yapidi el panel of prosecutor quien taagara con el caso del MNLF acusado por causa na Zamboanga Siege ayuda na gobyerno lokal na gastos para del mga testigo na kaso. Asugun con el vice-alcalde Cesar Iturralde, ya hace el mga prosecutor con el pedido durante el closed-door meeting di ila ayer. Yabla si Iturralde, yabla kanila el mga prosecutor kay no hay fondo el Departamento de Justicia para aloka con el mga testigo. Por eso tapidi sila el asistencia del gobierno lokal. El usa según con el fondo para na pasaje y akomodasyon del mga testigo mientras talya sila na syudad de Pasig para atende con el vista na korte.
So we are happy that the prosecutor in Manila are really interested in prosecuting the case, and they are seeking assistance from the city, especially insofar as the witnesses are concerned. No? Sabi to LDOJ, nuevamente sila Sen. So, tapos na sila manera, ayuda na syudad para ver, pwede ayuda ko ng mga witnesses in terms of their assistance while in Manila.
Asugun pa con Iturralde, ta prepara ahora el mga prosecutor con el schedule del vista del caso allá na Pasig, donde necesita ya el presencia del mga testigo. Mucho según testigo el ciudad na kaso kontra con el mga akusado, pero quiere según el prosecutor que con el mga credible testigo lang el ay imbya na korte.
Ay buscan lang sila ang mga credible witnesses para pwede man-ensure el prosecution del caso.
Mientras tanto, habla si Iturralde kahit soporta sila con el pedido del prosecutor. Pero esperanza pa sigun man junta el mga prosecutor con el alcalde Maria Isabel Climaco Salazar para diskuti pa más acerca el asistencia financial para del mga testigo. Solamente el alcalde lang el esta reclamante na kaso kontra con el mga miembros del MNLF responsable na Zamboanga Siege.
The office of the prosecutor's office is really interested in handling the case, and that's the reason why they came over to Zamboanga City as a complainant of the case para pwede man confer with the client how we can support the case.
Mas pa de ese, yable el City Legal Officer Attorney Jesus Carbon, kay tiene el reservasyon si baybaches o grupo-grupo ase con el trial del caso. Asugun con Carbon, disventaja para nalaw del gobierno lokal, quien para como el reclamante na kaso.
Because this will weaken the case of the prosecution, and this might favor the accused. For example, we tried just one batch, the one which were held hostage General Malayo, then present evidence against them. Then after the prosecution would rest its case against this, there are, I think, a little over 20 of them. Their counsel will for sure file a demurrer to evidence saying that the evidence of the prosecution is not strong enough to warrant their conviction beyond reasonable doubt. So there is a likelihood that these cases against them will be dismissed even without them presenting evidence. Then you try another batch, the one who said that they were just employees of the boats, they were just hired, did not know where they were going, that they were just invited to attend a peaceful march to City Hall. Then after this trial in batch is done, another demurrer to evidence, another dismissal.
Y habla si Carbon el cosa sila quiere, amo para de todo ya hace con el vista, siendo quiere sila asesale que tiene conspiracy o kontrabahan na kaso.
What we want to do is to try the case as a whole, precedent evidence as a whole, because the theory of the prosecution is there was conspiracy. And when there is conspiracy, the act of one is the act of all. You don't have to present evidence as to a particular person. For example, one of the evidence would be circumstantial. They are not from here. Why are they here? There was an order to forcibly evacuate these places. Why were they still there? Even when the conflict was about to end. So many things.
Marifit Amayo, Dateline Zamboanga.